How to verify Rumble account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video, I'll simply show you how you can verify your Rumble account, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to verify our Rumble account, first of all, let's say that your account is not verified, right? So first of all, you want to open your browser, and then of course you want to come to rumble.com. I'll make sure to drop a direct link down below as well. Once you come to this website, click on the profile icon from the top right hand side, and then here you want to go to the option called account options, as you could see. Now once you go to the option called account option, you'll be able to see all this, right? And over here on the right hand side, you'll find the option called account verification. Right under account options, you'll find account verification, so just click on it. So once you go to account verification page, over here you'll see account status is actually not verified. So some features may be limited or unavailable, such as upload videos and use live streaming, make money and cash out your earnings, leave comments on videos, vote for videos and comments. So what you have to do is we are going to verify our account. First of all, select your country code and then make sure to enter your mobile number in this case. Once you enter your mobile number, what you have to do is just select mobile phone, text me, or landline and mobile call me. Whatever way you want to receive your code, I'll just select text me option here. And once it does that, it is actually going to send me a verification code on my mobile. So I'm going to wait until I receive the code on my mobile, and then I'll simply go ahead and then verify it accordingly. So once you verify the code that you received on your mobile, just hit the validate code option over here. Once you hit the validate code option, now you can see the phone number has been successfully verified. Now you can see that our account is actually successfully verified. Now you can upload videos, use live streaming, make money and cash out, and do whatever else you want. And this is simply how you can verify your Rumble account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.